From a simple tomato to millions of bottles every day. Stay with me because this process will surprise you. Today, we are going inside a modern ketchup factory to discover the complete journey from farm to factory to your table. Let's begin. Everything starts on large tomato farms. Farmers carefully grow and harvest ripe tomatoes. These tomatoes are then loaded onto trucks and sent directly to the factory. Only the best quality is accepted. Inside the factory, tomatoes enter powerful washing tunnels. High-pressure water and food-grade sanitizers remove dirt and bacteria. Now they are completely clean and safe. Advanced cameras and AI systems scan every single tomato. Damaged or unripe tomatoes are removed automatically. This guarantees perfect quality. Next, the tomatoes are crushed into pulp. The pulp is heated with steam boilers to kill harmful germs and enhance natural flavor. This step is critical. The hot pulp passes through special filters. Seeds, skins, and waste are removed. What remains is a smooth tomato concentrate. Now comes the secret stage. Salt, sugar, vinegar, and spices are added according to a hidden formula. Computer systems control every detail. This creates the signature taste. The mixture is slowly cooked in giant industrial tanks. Water evaporates, flavor becomes stronger, texture becomes thicker. The ketchup turns deep red and glossy. Empty bottles are first sterilized. Then automatic machines fill them with exact precision. Caps are sealed tightly. No human contact, maximum hygiene. Each bottle receives a label, manufacturing date, and expiry date. They're packed into cartons and prepared for delivery. Trucks carry these cartons to supermarkets around the world, from factory to shelf to your home. So next time you enjoy ketchup with your favorite food, remember the journey behind it, from farmers to machines to you. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment below. And tell us which factory should we explore next.